ang napakainit na pagtanggap sa Korean pop sensation na U-Kiss last week.
Alexander.
Ay, siya si Alex!
Isang kapuso actress na rin ang buong tapang dalawantad para aminin na isa siyang die-hard fan ng K-pop.
Eto na. Nagre-ready na ako sa pagkikita namin ni Kim Hyun-jung. Ayoko mag-abala. Hindi ako handa. Ano kaya itsura niya? Ano kaya itsura ko? Hindi ko maayos-ayos yung makeup ko. Eto na. Kaya hindi ba ako pa nagpresenta para mag-interview? Now I'm dressed. Ready na ako. Ready na ako to face Kim Hyun-jung. And released. Eto na. Just wait for me there, ha?
Hinasa muna ni Jelly ang kanyang pagkontrol sa kanyang emosyon sa kanyang pagharap sa mga miyembro ng Beast.
Hey, Diyos ko, Lord. Hey, first I would like to welcome you to the Philippines.
Yeah.
This is your first time here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, since they are now very famous, even though they haven't been together for more than a year, I would like to know if they would be interested in doing dramas or going into acting.
If
They will have a chance to have some like program in the Philippines, they wanna join.
Pero ang kaba niya, hindi pa rin humupa.
Lord, help me. Hi! Bago kami makita ni Kim Hyun-jung, kailangan malaman ko muna kung ano mga sasabihin ko sa kanya. Kailangan ko lang magsalita ng mga a few words in Korean. Baka para naman mami, mai-welcome ko na siya ng bonggang-bongga dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? You should have said, sarangheyo. Ay, wag na natin sabihin yon. Sa asawa ko na lahat, sarangheyo, honey. Anyo. Imbes na sabihin nga, anyo, haseyo. Ang sayo. Ay, sana maalala ko later. Eto na, pumasok na tayo. Halika na, naghihintay na siya. Game. It's time. Are you ready for me? Magandang hapon mga taga-Showbiz Central. Ito na ang moment na hinihintay ko kanina pa pinaghandaan ko. With me now is Kim Hyun-jung. Okay, for his last project, which is Voice Over Flowers, si Kate Ji-hoo. His first acting stint, I would say, okay, this is the reason why he's very popular here in the Philippines. Were you surprised when you got here? A lot of fans? You have a lot of fans?
이제 필리핀에서 그 다음 제가 방영을 했다는 것만은
Voice Over Flowers aired here in the Philippines, but he didn't expect that that drama would make a lot of fans. So he was very amazed and he was very happy. And if he gets any chance to have another drama, he wants to visit here.
Maybe he can do it here, right? Ay naku, nalulunod na ako talaga sa kanyang tingin. Okay.
Pero ngayong tapos na ang official business niya, oras na para ihatid ni Jelly ang mga tunay na katanungan niya.
Are you single? Or do you have a special someone back in Korea?
뭐 지금 여자친구나 한국에 특별한
As of now, he doesn't have any girlfriend in the Korea.
So available na, mga kapuso. Available girls. What qualities does he look for in a girl? What type of girl does he like?
이상은 친구처럼 편안하고 이렇게 재밌는 사람이 좋은 것 같아요.
He wants to have a girlfriend and who is
Check. Okay. Yes.
who is comfortable to talk and have a great time.
Check. Great time. Yeah. Okay. Now, if he finds somebody that he likes, how will he approach the girl?
필리핀은 섬이 엄청 많은 나라라서 처음에 같이
He has any true love is he wants to invite that girl into an island and then he's gonna sing.
Okay, thank you very much for joining us today. It's such a pleasure talking to you. I hope you come back here soon. Eto na. Dito siya nakaupo kanina eh. Eto, habang nakatingin ako sa kanya, eto yun, po ang plan. Dito siya uminom. Here, wag naman. Anyway, nako, I enjoyed myself. I was so nervous. Nervous ako. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako nakapagtanong.